Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Samsung account sign-in error in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the issue that in your account or in your phone, you're unable to log in or sign into your Samsung account. So let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing, you just have to make sure that you have a secure, stable, and a strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi, cellular data. You have to also make sure that your data time is correct. Or you can also go ahead to your settings app here. Go to settings, go to general management, go to date and time, and just make sure that these both toggles are enabled to set your date and time automatically. Once I've done, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, go to settings app, go to apps section, go to search for account. You must see Samsung account, select that, go to storage, and just click on clear cache. And once you have cleared cache, it will clear all the junk files and temporary files from your app or from your Samsung account app. And once you have done, now before you retry, I recommend you one more step. Just click on this for stop, click OK. Now once you have forcefully stopped your app, just scroll in the control center, click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on restart button again. It will make a restart to your device, and once your phone has been restarted, you just have to retry to sign in your Samsung account, and this time you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.